Hi, my name is Carrie Gans, and I'd like to welcome you to the latest episode of Ask the Expert. Today, I'm really thrilled to have with me Dr. Kirby Kavanaugh. Dr. Kavanaugh has practiced in the Northland for over 17 years and moved to ZonaRosa in 2005. She is a member of the Missouri Dental Association, the American Dental Association, the Greater Kansas City Dental Society, and many, many more. It's really my pleasure to have with me Dr. Kirby Kavanaugh. Hi, Dr. Kavanaugh. How are you today?
I'm doing well, Carrie. Thank you.
Is it cold out there in Kansas City?
It is cold in Kansas City, but the sun is shining, so that helps.
That's always a great thing. Now, Dr. Kavanaugh, I know you're an expert, and what I'd like to ask you is if someone was out in Kansas City and just moved into the area and was looking for a dentist such as yourself, they're going to check online. Do you have any suggestions for them as to what they can do to make sure they get to the right place?
Well, what they're going to look for when they go online with my office is, the name of my practice is ZonaRosa Dental, which I am just south of KCI Airport, right off of I-29, which is convenient. I've got several years of dental experience. I've been practicing actually 20 years now, and I come from a very strong dental family background. My father and my brother are both very well-respected orthodontists in the Northland. When I was 10 years old, my dad started taking my brothers and I into the orthodontic office to learn the ropes, learn the terminology, and I continued on, and I am now the general dentist in the family, and my dad and my brother are both the orthodontists. So it's all I've ever known. I love it, and that's what you're going to find when you go online and look up my name or ZonaRosa Dental.
Well, that's great, Dr. Kavanaugh. I can imagine that dinner table conversation is all about teeth.
That's all we ever talked about.
Okay. Well, let me ask you a question. Now that someone goes online and they take a look at you and they see that you have a great reputation and that you're, an expert in dentistry, let me ask you, when they come to your office, what kind of experience will they have?
Well, they'll be greeted. I've got an amazing team of women that I work with. I have 3 hygienists, 2 dental assistants, and my front desk team is amazing. They'll be greeted with a smile from the moment they walk in all the way to the back. Because of the location of where my office is, I have a great view with nothing but windows overlooking ZonaRosa Village. Got a 270-gallon saltwater fish tank, which is very nice. I love the corals that are in the tank versus the fish, ironically, because it's just very relaxing to sit there and look at the corals. I've got TVs in every operatory because, as we know, a lot of people don't enjoy going to the dentist. So my goal is to make it feel like you're going into someone's home, that it's a little bit more relaxing, and so you aren't offended by any of the sights or the smells or the sounds. It's just a very relaxing environment, and my team is amazing.
Well, Dr. Kavanaugh, I've got to tell you that if I need dentistry, I'm here in New York, but if I do need dentistry, I think I'm going to hop a plane and get out to Kansas City, to ZonaRosa. It sounds like a great place to get your teeth taken care of.
We would love to have you.
Okay, now let's hope that now when people watch this video, they get real excited about coming out to ZonaRosa and visiting you. Is there anything special you can do for our viewers when they do come out to you?
When you come to my office, any one of my team members can give you a tour of the office. Like I said, we've got nothing but windows, so you've got quite a view of the village. We also offer a couple of in-office bleaching procedures, and we can offer you $100 off of that. And then I've always referred to my office as being a destination versus a location because, again, I'm in the ZonaRosa Village, so when you're done having your day of beauty here at the dental office, then you can go out and enjoy some of the restaurants and the shopping establishments here within the village. So you can make a whole day of it.
Well, once again, that sounds absolutely wonderful, and I'm sure our viewers will really take you up on that great offer. Now, what I'd like to do is I'd like to suggest to anybody watching this video that they give Dr. Kirby Kavanaugh a phone call. You can see her number right below me. That's 816-741-6200. Or you can actually get a little better idea of what's going on in ZonaRosa at her website, which is www.zonarosadental.com. Dr. Kavanaugh, thanks so much for joining us today. Really appreciate it, and I hope to see you again real soon.
Thank you for having me.